Hey, what's your name? Hey, what's your name? Hey, he's a lovely guy. You're lovely. What are you saying? You looking at the camera? No? You gorgeous.
Oh, look at him. Hiya Chris, it's Ruth, how you doing? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. He's doing... Yeah, we've got him away, it's lovely. Yeah, gorgeous. Yeah, I'm fine. You sound knackered, by the way. Oh, crap. Alright. Oh, you're damn right, I can't beat a bit of home comfort, so... You got a cold as well? Yeah.
She's a clever girl, Shona, eh?
Strange. Oh, sorry. Well, put Gemma on. I'm going to tell her about this wee dog and then I'll go. Oh, not... Right.